Etli yaprak sarması. Prepare the ingredients in a bowl.
Combine minced meat, rice, onion, olive oil, tomato paste, and spices. Mix gently with a spoon or your hands. Get the leaves ready. Place one leaf on a flat surface, shiny side down. Roll the sarma, put a small spoon of filling in the middle of the leaf. Fold the sides and roll it tightly, like a small wrap. Place them in the pot. Arrange the rolls close to each other in a white pot. This keeps them from opening while cooking. Prepare the sauce and cook. To make the sauce, pour oil into a pan and heat it. Add the tomato paste and then add the tomato puree and hot water, stirring well. Place lemon slices on top of the sarma. Pour the sauce over them and cook for 30 minutes. You can serve it with yogurt. Enjoy your meal.